Hey everyone, it's Jamie with Adventures by Jamie and Kevin, as you all know him. And we are coming to you today with another SnackCrate adventure. And it's a little different this time. We are on vacation in our log cabin in Clayton, Georgia. So we thought this would just be a fun little thing to do while we're on vacation. So we have our little SnackCrate box. Let's see where we're gonna go this month.
You got it? Okay.
Oh, we're going to Israel. This is our first look of what this box looks like. All right. And now we're gonna dig on in to snack number 1. We have bizzle falafel. So I don't know. We'll hold that up there, Kevin. So I apologize in advance for butchering any of these names. So let's open that up on up and we'll give it a try.
There you go.
Oh, they just look like little, almost like the noodles that you put in soup, with like the crunchy noodles at like a Chinese restaurant. I don't know. Those are good. Do those have like a, what do you think? Like a, almost like a tomato basil flavor. What do you taste? They're good.
They're crunchy.
They're tiny, really tiny.
It says it's a flavored wheat snack.
That makes sense. Okay, I like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So next we have, what's this?
There you go.
This is another another one, but this is smoky. So I'm guessing maybe a barbecue. They look like little rings too, like Funyun rings. I don't know.
Bizzle smoky flavored wheat snacks. I don't know how you say it.
I don't know how you say it either, but.
I'll give you some choose from.
Oh. Okay, yeah, we had something like this.
Consistent.
Yeah.
They're all little tubes.
We had something like this from our, I want to say our, not Japan, was it Japan? No, from our Canada box, I remember.
Oh, they like crunch. These are very crunchy.
I don't like that one. Oh no. No, that's not good. I don't like that. Do you like that?
I can eat anything. It doesn't eat me first.
I don't know. That almost tastes like a burnt
Tastes
barbecue
like
something.
It tastes like a dried out leather bootlace.
I passed on that one, guys. I'm sorry.
Maybe if you mix it with something, like a drink or something. It'd be
Oh, no. All right. Moving right along. What is this? Bamba peanut butter puffs. Now that sounds delicious. Here, we want to hold that up for them?
I'll make sure I'm not covering the label.
Bamba. Peanut butter puffs. All right.
Let's give you some of these.
Yes.
Oh, it's almost childproof.
Yeah, I need to get this other taste out of my mouth. Oh my. Oh, that is bad.
Well, it's an acquired taste.
These look like maybe little corn puffs, but supposedly they're peanut butter.
Gluten-free.
Oh my gosh.
Whatever else.
Okay, so
These are good.
these are delicious. The think Cheeto, like the puffy Cheetos. Cheeto Puffs, is that what they're called? But peanut butter.
Yeah.
I am for this all day long. I'm gonna have another one. This is good. All right. So good. What do we have next?
I think it's Clink.
Clink?
I think that's how you say
Let's
it.
see. Click? K-L-I-K.
I don't know.
Carrot pillows? Nougat-filled crunchy cereal coated with milk chocolate. All right, we'll open that on up.
That looks promising.
It does look promising. I love chocolate. The fire behind this feels so good.
It's like little chocolate squares.
Yeah. Looks like a little chocolate pillow, truly. Oh my gosh. Yes.
These could be dangerous for me.
So dangerous.
I could probably gain a lot of weight eating these.
That is delicious. Oh yeah.
Yum.
Good job. Click. Click.
I don't know how you say it.
I don't know, but it is good.
Wow.
What is this one?
Wow.
Oh, this is Oodles. O-O-D-L-E-S. Tiny, tangy fruit chews. Green apple.
Are you supposed to mix that, or are you supposed to eat it?
I have no idea. I think you're just supposed to eat it right out of the pack. I think. You want to open that up? It almost looks like one of those things you just squeeze into your mouth. I don't know.
Well, let's pour some out here. It reminds me of Nerds.
Oh yeah, they're really, really, really tiny. Really tiny, like Nerds. Okay, I don't know. They really don't have much taste. They taste like Nerds. They're good. But it's just like Nerds.
No, they're not. They're chewy.
Yeah.
Nerds are like crunchy. And
That's
sugar,
true.
But
That is true. Nerds are crunchy. But taste like Nerds, like that candy. That's good. I like that. What is this?
it says chocolate log.
A chocolate log.
See, it looks just like
It looks like bark,
log.
like
It's
truly.
not, literally, it is what it says it is. It's a log.
It's a chocolate log.
A little bit of that.
Okay.
Oh, it is chocolate, so you have to.
Ooh.
That's a crumbly type of.
Oh wow. That is good. That is really good.
It's crumbly. What it looks like. Fire.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like really dried wood.
That's great. Yes, I do. I want another piece.
But it's chocolate. It's not good.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Well, you took the whole thing.
I did.
Okay.
I did.
Yeah, it is pretty good.
That's delicious.
Yeah, it is. Took a huge. You're like, a huge one.
Exactly.
Leave me some crumbs. There's still some more going around. This one's
Is it the same thing?
no, it's Clink or something.
Oh. What is this? Clink milk cream.
Like a whoop, much like a Twix almost.
Oh yeah,
You know,
it does.
break a piece off for you, Dan. But it's like I don't know, like a milk dug kind of inside.
Yeah, it looks very, almost like there's a fluffy, I don't want to say nougat. I don't know what that looks like, but almost more, I don't know. Let's see.
I'm hanging on to this.
It almost tastes like
Creamy. What is this?
cookies and cream.
Probably
How many more do we have in there? This is
we've got some loose.
good box.
And,
What is that one?
you say it.
You say it.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Pezek. I'm gonna spell it. How about that? P-E-S-E-K ZMAN Classic. Milk chocolate filled with wafer and hazelnut cream. Ooh.
That sounds delicious.
It does sound delicious.
So we have like little squares. I bust a piece off from our little Jamie.
Thank you.
Let's see.
I love that this box has so much chocolate.
I think chocolate's a favorite throughout the world.
Oh wow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
I have some very soft chocolate. Very, very soft. Take another bite.
Israel, you got the chocolate going on. Mmm.
Definitely.
Wow. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like that one.
That is delicious.
For it, though. It has a really good aftertaste.
Mm-hmm.
Just when you swallow it, you want to grab another candy bar. So happens I did. There you go.
Another candy bar. Another click. Milk chocolate bar with milk cream filling.
I can see that. See that where we have like a logo right in the product. It's artfully done. It's just not a glob of chocolate. It actually has a form. There you go, Jim.
Thank you.
Give that a try.
Oh. That's good.
It's alright.
I like some of the other ones better.
Yeah, once you've had them, you probably want to save those ones for the last
But it's still good.
part because
Wow, we're going to be bouncing off the walls all this sugar.
yeah,
Whew. What is that guy?
it's like a. They've got 2 in here. 3. They have 3.
Fluffy Tuffy?
Know what that says? It's strawberry flavor.
Fluffy Tuffy. Yep.
I have one too. Same flavor.
So we will.
It's a hard candy, Danny.
That's good. I actually need a little break from all the chocolate.
I think it's a hard candy. It's white.
Yeah.
Wow. Chewy, chewy, chewy.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
Is it fluffy?
Uh-huh.
And it's very tough. Fluffy and tough.
I think
That's why I say fluffy.
I think the fluffy is like how fat the candy is. Wow. I don't know if that's for me.
You don't like it? Oh, what a waste.
No. Sorry, Israel.
I'm
That
putting that in this box.
wah wah wah. Was that the last thing?
I'm sure what these guys.
They look like pirate coins. What does this say? Milk chocolate coins. And then we have to decide what is our favorite
Oh,
snack out of this box.
very holiday.
Berry.
Yeah,
Has a menorah on one side.
look at that.
Looks very pretty.
It's a dark chocolate.
Do you want to just split a coin?
We'll split it. That's awful rich, I'm sure.
Yes.
There you go. Take a pick.
There we go. All right. Another great chocolate. I'm telling you, Israel, your chocolate
It's good.
is on point. Y'all have it down when making chocolate. All right, so I'm going to go out on a limb because we have had a box from Canada, Japan, and now Israel. For me personally, I know Kevin hasn't been in the videos with us with the snack crate on all 3, but you've tried all the boxes with me.
Yeah, sure.
For me, I honestly think this is my favorite box so far. I think I've liked, whoa, the fireplace. I think
Pop.
it popped, the wood popped.
So boom.
I think truly the amount of items in this box that I liked won over the other boxes so far. What about you, Kevin? What's your favorite box that we've done so far?
Well, I do like this one a lot. I need to do some research on how to speak this language.
Yes.
Because I want to know what I ate. It's good. And then I like the
So do you think this
fluffy
box?
toffee, even though you don't.
Yeah, I don't like the fluffy toffee.
I like it a lot.
But this box. Now, okay, so out of all of the snacks that we have tried, what is your favorite snack? This is going to be hard.
Well, I'm chewing on one, but I think it
What is mine?
That is my favorite right now.
Which one is this one?
And you like?
The milk cream. Yeah.
I think you like the one that has the peanut butter.
I think my two favorites from this thing are the Bomba peanut butter puffs, which were delicious, and this chocolate peanut buttery Pizzaman. I don't know how to say this. So these are my favorites. And your favorite again was?
What was this one? The Colic or whatever it is.
Yes. All right, guys. So that does it for
That's my favorite.
for
I'm gonna eat all this taffy.
He is. He's loving the taffy.
It's all mine.
It is all his. So we hope that you enjoyed this snack crate adventure with us from our log cabin, and we'll be talking to you guys again real soon. Bye, guys.